Hey everyone, back again to our another video. So today's video is basically for on your demand. That on our previous videos comment section, someone asked about how you can use Claude Fable 5 API key for completely free. So that's why I make this video. If you are new in this video, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Helps us to reach triple digit today. So as you can see, I am using Claude Fable 5 on Claude Code. So in this end of this video you can use it too on your local machine. So first of all, open your browser and search for freemodel.dev. Don't worry, I will put the website link on our description below, so check it out and simply sign up with your Gmail account. So after completing your sign up, you are redirected through its homepage, and you can see you need to verify your account. Click on that Telegram and open it with your Telegram account, or you can scan it with this QR code and open with your desktop app, and then click on the start. And as you can see, I am already verified with this account. You can get this type of message that you are successfully verified. Okay, after completing your verification, you get that pro account. And if you are not getting this, simply refresh it, because sometimes that website have some technical glitch. So now create an API key. Simply create an API key, give a name and create it, and copy this API key and paste into your notepad, and simply go down to this website and you can see Claude Code setup guide. Simply click on this and you can see Claude Code codecs and others. I am using Claude Code, so click on this Claude Code and you can see three types of operating system. Choose your operating system which you are using. I am using Windows, so I am just use Windows. Then you need to git bash. First of all, if you have an git bash, so you don't need to download it, and if you don't have, so please download it, that latest version. And I have already downloaded, so I am not downloading. Then you need Node.js. Simply copy this command. If you are already downloaded, you can see a version number. Copy it and paste with on your terminal, and you can see a version number. If this version number is greater than 18, so you are successfully installed. If you are not getting this, you can click on this download Node.js and get Node.js and choose your operating system, and you can download it easily. Simply clicking on next. And next step, we need to API key. Simply I am already created a API key, so if you are not, then create a API key. Click on this and create a API key. You can easily create this. Okay, now we are ready to install Claude Code on your terminal. Simply copy this command and paste on your terminal and hit enter. It will take few minutes, so wait its response. As I am already installed on our local machine, so I am not installing it. Okay, now go to the next step. So we go to the search bar and search for edit environment variable. You can see this type of, and then click on it and edit environment, and then click on that path and then click on new or edit, and simply copy these two path. One is Node.js and another one is Git. Simply copy these two and click on that new and paste on it, and then hit OK. Simply for other one. Okay, now make sure that you have an IDE or VS Code. And now we create a setting.json file. Simply copy this path. You do not copy this, you would follow this path. Simply open your file and go to your this PC and then click on that drive C and then open users as per your laptop, and then you can see .cloud folder. Simply click on it and open it, and then you can see that setting file. Open it with your VS Code, or you don't have this, so simply open the whole file with your VS Code. Simply right click on it and open with your VS Code, and you can see this is my setting.json file. If you don't have this, so you need to create a file. So now copy this command, and as you can see that you have an API key. Simply replace your API key with these places, in these two places, and after replacing it, you simply copy this whole code and paste into that setting.json file, and then select all and then save it. Okay, now we are the final stage. Simply copy this code and open your terminal. Open your terminal and open a fresh terminal and type Claude and hit enter and wait for few minutes, and you can see yes, I trust this folder, and then whatever you have, you can simply click on yes, and you can see that Claude Fable 5 is successfully installed on your Claude Code. So simply message it and hi, and let's check its response or not. Okay, it will take few seconds, and you can see that it responds perfectly. If you don't have this Fable 5 or other models that offers like this, you can simply model and then select your model, which model you want to use. Then you can choose your model. As I choose Fable 5. So if this video has helped you, please like this video and subscribe our channel. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel, link in the description below. If you are facing any problem, then you can simply comment it, and I will see in the next video.